Hey, it's Sam Backer here, and I'm going to show you how VideoStorePro can benefit your business and help you sell more videos in this walkthrough demonstration. So first of all, what this is in its core is a site creator. It creates really good looking sites to help you sell your videos. On my screen right now is one of the examples of a video that we've created, of a website we've created with the different details about products and videos that can be sold through your website. Now, as you'll see, you can add them to cart. They're very personal. They have your name and your details there for who's actually listed the business. When you get access to this, what you're going to see is you're going to see these videos that we've already preloaded here for you, and you can actually sell our preloaded videos, or if you'd like to, you can add your own. You can take full credit for this website, you can rebrand it as you want, you can add your own logo, add your own name, and everything is categorized to help you sell your videos. So if you've got videos from Explaindio lying around, or if you have other template packages that you've got access that you would like to on-sell, white label packages, then this is your perfect tool to do just that. The site is also fully mobile responsive. So what you'll see is as you actually search for this, if you're on a mobile device or your visitor's coming from somewhere else, they'll see it inside of their mobile really cleanly. We've also got a preview and details component to this. So say for example, a visitor has come, they want to actually look at a video they're interested in buying. They can see a preview of that video with audio, and it'll go through exactly how the video will be presented. It'll go through all the different parts of the video, so they'll be able to see what it is that they're purchasing. Then when they're ready to check out, they simply need to select a license. They can either search through after that different or basically different parts, different videos that are recommended, or if they want, they can check out and go and purchase what it is that they want. In this case, it might be this purchase. They'd enter in their details and then continue to purchase, and your PayPal account would receive the money, and the system itself would automatically deliver the video to the customer. Or if they want to come back later, they can actually then create their own account and see a purchase history of the different products that they've purchased. So in future, they can download it again. If they've, say for example, lost it or they can't find it, they can come back to the website, download it, or if they purchase again in future, that'll be added as well to this history component here too. Now, let me show you how to actually set up everything once you've got started. So you connect your domain with our system basically, and it is going to be added to your domain. Okay, so you've got it on your host, you've downloaded it, you've uploaded it, it's on your host. So you connect it up. It takes about 2 minutes. We've got step-by-step training on how to do it. Then you can go into your store. Now the store is where all of the products are actually listed. So in here you're able to change product listings, you're able to add new listings, you're able to customize things as you want, or if you want, you can actually upload and add your own videos into these listings. We've already preloaded all of this for you when you get access to VideoStorePro, but as you can see here, everything is preloaded in here. You can see download video URL. So it's available once someone actually clicks through and purchases this particular theme. They'll be able to download the PowerPoint templates that we've organized for this, and then they'll actually be able to go on and start using them. And at the end of this video, I'll actually show you what those PowerPoint templates look like that come along with VideoStorePro and how they can be really easily customized. So you can add new products, you can customize your categories, you can see the payment history, you can issue discount codes if you want, and you're free to sell these videos for whatever price that you want as well. You can feature it, okay? You can feature the download on the front page. You can customize your posts, add media, you can add pages to your blog to help it rank in Google, and you can add your own testimonials. Now, also what you can do through this system is you can very easily, and I'll just go into settings, or go into store settings, very easily customize this site entirely to suit you and your business. So here you can see you've got base country, where it comes from, you can choose the currency you take money in, you can connect up your payment gateways, so PayPal for example, you can start taking in money from PayPal, you can support MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Discover, and you can actually start receiving payments from people from around the web who want to purchase your videos either for their business or for the marketing that they're doing. You can even sell your video making services. So say for example, you've purchased a video creation software, you can actually sell for say $497 or $1,000 the ability for someone to get their video created by you. So it's a really cool tool for doing that. We've connected it up with everything else. Your autoresponder, you can actually generate leads through this system. It pops over a pop-up and allows you to generate leads. So you can actually generate a buyer list, or you can generate through this system also a leads list of people that were interested in your website and wanted to find out more. So there's everything from sales recovery to purchase limits to everything that you could think of in this, including adding your own logo and customizing your site. It really is very easy to do. So that's the website. This is how you set up that website in the back end. Really simple system to use, and you're probably very familiar with using this type of system. Let me show you now, as the final part of this video, the white label videos you're actually giving you as part of this to complete the package. So you'll have videos you can start selling immediately and making money with. So I'm going to hop into PowerPoint right now and I'll show you this presentation as I customize it. So when you're in these PowerPoint slides, you'll basically be able to download them as soon as you get access to the VideoStorePro system. They're going to be downloadable inside of the actual site, and the download links will already be added to the site. So if anyone purchases any of these templates, they'll immediately get it with training once they purchase and pay you money to go through your website. If you'd like to add your own videos, you're able to do that as well. You can add videos from Explaindio or videos that you've actually created through other software or other white label videos that you may have. But this is going to give you the best start starting out. Now you can see here, the slides themselves are very easy to customize. You simply click, you replace the text. If you were doing this as a service for a company and charging for it, you could just replace the text here for the business. Or if you wanted to and you were selling this to a company, we've actually got training on how to edit this for the company that buys them off you from your website. So you can move through. This is one of our beauty salon type presentations. We have over 30 of these that you can choose from, and you'll see other examples while we go through here. But as you can see, they have really nice looking images, everything's structured really easily. There is a sales presentation to it as well, and you can actually whip up a quick script to read out or record as part of this video as well to make it really easy. And all that's covered inside of the training. Once you've finished editing your PowerPoint presentation, one of the great parts of PowerPoint is it makes it really easy. If you go into slideshow, there's actually this record slideshow function here. So as you're going through, as you're recording the slideshow, you can actually choose to do this if you were doing it as a service and go through and actually record your presentation. And here you can see we've already added the animations, the edits to it to make it look really cool. So when you're actually going through and recording this for a business, everything will look really nice, really professional, and it'll look like it was done by a professional. So that's one of the great parts of this system. And you just go through your slides, you'd make sure you're recording it as I am right now, and everything will be loaded as you go through your script. So that's the system itself. You're able to record it very easily in PowerPoint, and if you don't have PowerPoint, you can either sell these to businesses as PowerPoint presentations that can be created into videos, or you can actually create your videos as a service with the systems that you may have already got that you've added, the videos you've added to the site. So it's going to make it really easy for you to sell your videos and make money from the video systems that you may already have access to. Alright, that's it. VideoStorePro. Make sure you find out all the information about it. This is going to be a great tool for selling your videos and to help you make more money in your business online. Alright, I'll talk again soon.